Hello, in front of me I have Skagen Hybrid HR and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. So let's start by pressing and holding the middle button and keep holding it until you see this menu. It takes about 5 seconds, I believe. Once you see this menu on the screen, use the upper button to scroll up and select the disconnect and reset option, and then press the middle button to confirm. Now we need to confirm the reset by pressing the lower button, and once you confirm it, the resetting process will start and it will take a couple of seconds for it to finish. So let's press the lower button and let's wait until the resetting process is complete. And after the watch vibrates and you will see the watch face, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.